हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में देखेंगे टॉप 20 जीके क्वेश्चन जो सभी परीक्षाओं में पूछे जाते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आप वीडियो देखते हैं लेकिन लाइक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर जरूर करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, तो पहला सवाल है, हु वॉज द सेकेंड तीर्थंकर ऑफ जैन्स? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, अजित नाथ। Friends, there were a total of 24 Tirthankaras in Jainism. Rishabdev was the first Tirthankar who was born in Ayodhya and his symbol was the bull. Ajit Nath was the second Tirthankar who was born in Ayodhya and his symbol was an elephant. Parshvanath was the 23rd Tirthankar who was born in Varanasi and his symbol was a snake. Mahavir ji was the 24th Tirthankar who was born in Kundalpur and his symbol was Leo. Article 24 of the Constitution of India prohibits the employment of child in factories related to hazardous works. Such prohibition is. Right answer is option B, absolute prohibition. Friends, according to Article 24 of the Indian Constitution, a person below 14 years of age shall not be employed to work in any factory. The Child Labour Act 1986 is the most important law in this direction. The Child Labour Amendment Act 2016 amended the Child Labour Act 1986. However, the name of the original act has been changed to Child and Adolescent Labour Act 1986. Which Governor General of India abolished sati system in 1829 by declaring it an offence? Right answer is option A, Lord William Bentinck. Friends, Lord William Bentinck, whose tenure was from 1828 to 1835 AD, he was the first Governor General of India. Lord William Bentinck is known as the father of modern Western education. Suppression of Thugee also ended during the tenure of Lord William Bentinck. It was during his tenure that the first medical college was opened in Calcutta in 1835 AD. Who among the following wrote the non-fiction The Paradoxical Prime Minister Narendra Modi and His India? Right answer is option D, Shashi Tharoor. Friends, this book talks about the life and times of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is divided into 5 sections containing 50 chapters. It was released on 26 October 2018. The Kood dance is a famous dance form of. Right answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. The Lahore session of the Indian National Congress 1929 is significant because. Right answer is option B, it passed the resolution to demand Purna Swaraj. Friends, the President of Congress during the Lahore session of 1929 was Jawaharlal Nehru. For the first time, the Indian National Congress decided to celebrate 26 January 1930 as Purna Swaraj Day during its Lahore session. However, later 26 January was chosen as the Republic Day of India. The condition in which market supply matches market demand is called. Right answer is option C, equilibrium. How many hydrogen atoms are there in a molecule of methane? Right answer is option D, 4. Friends, methane is a chemical compound with the chemical formula CH4. It is formed by the combination of four hydrogen atoms and one carbon atom. It is a main component of natural gas. Which of the following is a pivotal joint in the human body? Right answer is option B, joint where our neck joins the head. Friends, a joint is the part of the body where two or more bones meet in order to allow movement. There are a total of three broad classes of joints, which are immovable joints, slightly movable, freely movable. Which among the following is a joint in human body that can move only in one plane? Right answer is option B, hinge joint. Friends, hinge joint is a joint in the human body that serves motion in one plane. It is a common class of synovial joint that includes the ankle, knee, finger joints, two joints. Who became the acting Prime Minister India after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964? Right answer is option A, Guljari Lal Nanda. Friends, Guljari Lal Nanda was appointed as the first ever acting Prime Minister of India after the demise of the first PM of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, in 1964. He remained PM for 13 days. After that, Lal Bahadur Shastri became the Prime Minister of India. He again became Prime Minister in 1966 after the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Kalamkari painting is related to which state? Right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Friends, capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Formation year 1 November 1956. Present governor is S. Abdul Nazir and present chief minister is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Friends, the first state to be formed on linguistic basis was Andhra Pradesh. In the sequence of planets in the solar system, which planet comes in between Mars and Saturn? Right answer is option A, Jupiter. Friends, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It comes between Mars and Saturn. It is the largest planet in the solar system. This planet is mainly made of hydrogen and helium. Which of the following can be classified as an artificial ecosystem? Right answer is option C, gardens. Which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution directs the state to ensure the right of citizens to adequate means of livelihood? Right answer is option B, Article 39. Which is the first women police station in the country to get ISO certificate? Right answer is option C, Bhopal. Friends, ISO certificate was awarded to Mahila Thana located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. It has become the first women's police station in the country to get ISO certificate. ISO means International Organization for Standardization. ISO was established on 23 February 1947. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and present chairman is Ulrika Franke. World Consumers Rights Day is celebrated on. Right answer is option D, March 15. Friends, World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated on 15 March every year. It is observed every year with the aim of raising global awareness about consumer rights and needs. It was first started in 1983. In which city was the Jhanda Satyagraha or Flag Satyagraha of 1923 held? Right answer is option C, Nagpur. Friends, Jhanda Satyagraha was held in the city of Nagpur. The Satyagraha was started in Jabalpur and concluded in the city of Nagpur. The tricolor was first hosted in the town hall of Bilaspur in March 1923 under the leadership of Sundarlal. But after the arrest of Sundarlal, the leadership was handed over to Mahatma Bhagwan Deen. Finally, Satyagraha was concluded on August 17, 1923 under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which amendment made it mandatory for the president to give his assent to the constitutional amendment bills? Right answer is option A, 24th. Friends, 24th amendment made it mandatory for the president to give his assent to the constitutional amendment bills. It came into existence on 5th November 1971. The procedure to amend constitution is mentioned in Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. Which of the following is not an extensive property? Right answer is option C, density. Friends, if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.